Hello, welcome to ITLab channels. Today I will share how we can install PrestaShop theme, module and basic setting from admin. First, I have logging PrestaShop admin panel. After logging, we see here a dashboard. Here have some options, order, catalog, order. You can check order, invoice and order related everything here. I will describe in later. Category, here you can show products category and others options. Customer, all registration customer. Here you can see module and design. First I show you how we install PrestaShop theme and modules. Then first we need to go design, logo section. But here you can see a URL something issue not fully HTTPS. So first we can fix this issue. For this we go general section. We need to select enable SSL, then save. Also you can enable all page SSL font, then all page your SSL showing. I have select yes, all page SSL will show. Save. Now you can see here SSL HTTPS type. In font also HTTPS. Now we're going to start PrestaShop themes. Here we go theme, logo, default theme. Only here also default theme. I have installed a theme. We can install two way. First we can add from here admin, add new theme. Here you can upload zip file from computer. I have tried to browse and you can see here template files. PrestaShop 1.7 template files structure. Here all template files, modules, dependents modules. Okay, I install demo one. I select this one zip files, upload zip files here, click and select this file and save. This module upload successfully and your theme already here. Now you need to select your theme, use this theme, click use this theme here and yes. It takes a few time. Dependent folder modules all will go in root module folder, your PrestaShop installation, and theme will go themes folder. Now select your new theme This is current theme. Now you can show font int. Here you can see update themes design. Now you can add your products, banner, menu, and what you need to customization. This is the one way to install your themes. Others way we have, we can do this one via FTP. Then we require to logging. I have already logging with FTP and same folders. And here we can do this option two way. Okay. Logging. This is root. This is server and root PrestaShop installation. Here you can see modules and themes folder. In this themes folder, you can see these names. Here I have installed this folder from one click, but you can also do from here. Just extract this zip folder and upload this file using theme names. Theme names, the press 71 is one like this. Then upload your all files and modules here. You can see all files and modules here. But is it dependent modules? This folder modules not upload in theme folder. It root server theme folder. It will go and root module folders. Only dependent folder modules copy to your root module themes folder. You can see here something like TT bestseller root module folders here. After upload via FTP, again I let you. This is theme folder. After you can get when you purchase any theme, then you can get something in theme folder. Then extract. If you went to FTP, then you need to extract and upload via FTP. This is all the theme folder. Only dependent modules need to upload in modules folder, server modules folder, and others need to upload in theme folders. When after upload via FTP, then you can see, like first time we can see current. Here you can see, then you need to use this themes. Click. Now we get how we can install PrestaShop theme two-way, and from admin add new theme, and others one via FTP. Now we can share something from PrestaShop admin panel. Now we can install how to install module. We can here you can see module section, manage module section. Here you can see lot of modules. Your new themes modules already installed here. When you install this theme, here you can see your all modules you can get from themes. Okay, if you required custom modules, then you can do more easy way. You can upload your modules from here. Upload a modules, then select your modules from your computer. Like we have some modules like advanced SEO modules. Just we select these modules and it requires few seconds and install it. Now you can proceed and installation. You can go configure. and now you can configure from here. Every module you can install from module manager section and upload your modules. Also you can see here another option, module catalog. Here you can see some modules listed here, free and payment, it's connect with PrestaShop add-ons section. You can purchase from add-ons and also add here, like this one, upload here, or also connect from this one, connect add-ons marketplace. Design. Here I show something, how you manage basic settings after theme installation and module installation. You can see in theme and logo section, configure your page layout. It's the important part. Also layout management is choose layout section, and you can see page, 4 page, bestseller page, contact page, and your all page listed here. In right side you can see layout. If you require bestseller to, here have 3 type of layout. You can use full width, 3 column, left and right sidebar, and left column and right columns. You can select any one what's you required.